Welcome to Showcase Richmond. I'm Matt DiNardo. In this economy, it's become common that people who have worked all their lives rather hard now find themselves unemployed and unable to keep up with payments, including car payments, and now face repossession. The good news is there's a way to avoid repossession. To tell us more is Rusty Boleman with the Boleman Law. Welcome back, Rusty. Let's talk about this. What can people do who are trying to get back on their feet and possibly facing car or truck repossession?
Matt, it's very good to be here. There is a solution, and that is first to consult a law firm that specializes in personal bankruptcy. Here's why. There are a lot of very good options under bankruptcy. Chapter 7 bankruptcy can stop the potential for repossession immediately. Even if the car's been repossessed, it can be returned. Often with many of the car title companies today, the car has a low jack device on it that can be, the car can be turned back on and returned for use. So it's very, very important to take action quickly.
Right. Now, this can kind of be a boost to turning your economy around, your personal economy, so to speak, as well, right?
Yes, that's the critical issue, is to get yourself back on your feet, regain control of your finances so that you can move forward.
Okay. Now, you mentioned there are two types of bankruptcy. Can you explain those, Rusty?
Yes, in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you can stop repossession, stop foreclosure, stop the collection calls, and you have up to 5 years to work out a payment plan to regain control of your finances. A Chapter 7 bankruptcy stops everything similarly, but it also then gives you time to peacefully reflect upon what is the best course of action for you. Do you want to turn the car in and get rid of it? Do you want to move forward and move out of the house?
How do I know then, because this sounds pretty complicated, which is the right choice for me?
My advice is to visit with one of our 17 experienced bankruptcy lawyers.
Right.
This is a free consultation. We've offered this to thousands of people for over 21 years. And in that opportunity, you get to find out what solutions can be best for you.
Now, when we meet with the consultation, that initial consultation, it's not a 5-minute meeting. It's a pretty long and thought-out meeting where you ask a lot of questions, I'm sure.
You actually meet with a lawyer, or often many lawyers, because our lawyers have subspecialties where they may come in as a group to advise you on various aspects of your financial problems. This can take several hours, and during that process, you're afforded the respect of someone who wants answers. We don't lightly recommend bankruptcy. Bankruptcy is not a solution for everyone. Many folks who come to visit with us for free walk away with a peace of mind knowing that bankruptcy is not a good solution.
And that makes their life a little bit easier because now they have an answer to working toward a solution at that point.
Absolutely. You have an answer, you can move forward with your life and take positive steps to gain control.
What about some final advice here? We don't want to wait for the last minute to do anything. We got to move forward right away. That's
absolutely the truth. Well said. Move early and move often. Or as they say, panic early, panic often. You can't go wrong. The advice is free, but it's given by experts, 21 years of experience. We have over 350 years of experience among the lawyers and staff members of our firm. Over 50-something people who really care about you.
Now, when we talk about repossession and even foreclosures, by meeting with yourself or your team, you can stop those two things immediately, can't you?
Absolutely. Often during the same day, that can be accomplished.
Wow, that's fantastic. That makes, again, that life change a little bit better, and you're able to restructure your life from the get-go.
Yes.
Which is good. Let's give you the information you need, and this is Rusty Boleman with Boleman Law. Here's how you contact them. They're located at 2104 West Laburnum Avenue in Richmond. They also have offices in Hampton and in Virginia Beach. Call them locally, 804-355-2057. You can look them up on the web at bowmanlaw.com. And again, as Rusty said, free consultations, and that makes it a little bit easier for you. Rusty, thank you so much once again for joining us.
Thank you, Matt.